So this is our example number 1 for shear and moment at a specific point. Okay? So determine the shear and moment at point C and E using the sign convention that we have discussed in the previous video. Okay? So kunin na natin yung shear. So, kunin daw natin yung shear natin sa C and moment, and also the shear and moment at E. So, ang gawin natin, kunin natin yung mga reaction sa B and, okay, this is F. This is F. Okay? So, since ang ating B is roller support, isa lang yung reaction yan, perpendicular sa surface. So, this is RB. And this is a hinge. Therefore, we have two reactions, vertical and horizontal. Okay? Pero, by observation, yung ating FH is equals to 0. Kasi wala naman tayong applied load na horizontal or inclined load na makikreate ng horizontal component para dito sa ating FH. Kaya 0 yung ating FH. Kaya isusolve na lang natin is RB and FB. And syempre, yung ating RB and FB is hindi equal. Bakit? Kasi magkaiba sila ng mga dadalhing loadings. For example, hindi rin symmetrical yung mga sukat, and hindi rin symmetrical yung ating loadings. Kaya hindi sila maghahati, okay? Equally para doon sa mga loadings natin. So, kailangan nating mag-solve. So, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung summation of forces vertical kasi dalawa yung unknown. So, kailangan natin mag-moment. Okay? So, mag-moment na tayo sa B para makuha yung FB. So, summation of moment at B is equals to 0. Clockwise rotation is positive. Okay? So, negative FB kasi counterclockwise. Negative FB multiplied by 7. Okay? Yung 30 kilonewton is counterclockwise. So, negative 30 multiplied by 1. Okay? Yung 50 clockwise. So, that is positive 50 multiplied by 4. So, yung 20 kilonewton natin, ikot din ng clockwise sa B. So, positive 20 multiplied by length. Ang length natin is, total nito? 7. Multiplied by the moment R na 7 over 2 is equals to 0. So, FB is equals to 94.286 kilonewton. So, since positive, tama yung rotation yung direction ng ating FB, upward. Okay? So, since meron tayong FB, isa na lang unknown natin na vertical force RB, pwede natin gumamit ng summation of forces vertical is equals to 0. Upward is positive. So, RB, positive, plus FB na 94.286 minus 30 minus 50 minus 20 multiplied by 7 is equals to 0. So, RB is equals to 125.714 kilo Newton. Okay, so positive, therefore, upward yung nakukuha natin na RB. Okay? So, ngayon, kunin natin yung shear and moment sa C and E. So, try natin sa shear muna. Sa shear. So, alalahan natin yung sign convention natin sa shear. Kapag left, positive is upward, then downward is negative. Kapag sa right, ang upward is negative, ang downward is positive. Okay? So, try natin at C. Okay? So, left section. Okay? So, try natin sa left section. Okay? So, shear at C is equals to, okay? Lahat ng nandito. Okay? So, since ang ating RB is upward, so positive siya. So, 125.714. Yung ating 30 kN is downward, kaya negative. Yung ating 20 kN is negative kasi downward. So, 20 multiplied by 1. So, ang shear natin at C is equals to positive 75.714 kilo Newton. Okay? So, try naman natin sa right section. Shear at C. Kita. So, since upward ang FB, kaya magiging siyang negative kasi upward eh. Okay, so negative 94.286. So, lahat ng downward is positive. So, downward ang 20 kN multiplied by, this is 6. Okay? Minus, sorry, this is positive kasi downward. Positive 50 kasi downward. Okay? So, ang sagot dito is also positive 75.714 kilo Newton. Okay? So, same lang yung answer. Okay? At E. So, left section sa E. So, shear at E. Ito. So, upward ng RB. So, positive 125.714. Downward ang 30. Sakop yung 50 sa E. So, downward din siya. Okay? Downward din yung 20. Multiplied by length na 4. So, ang shear natin at E, at left section, is equals to negative 64.286 kilo Newton. So, negative shear siya. Okay? So, at right section, so, shear at E, at right section, lahat ng upward is negative. So, negative 94.286. Okay? So, downward natin is positive. So, plus 20 multiplied by 1.5 meters. So, ang shear natin at E, at right section, is also equals to 64.286 kilo Newton. Okay? Next naman yung ating moment. Yan. At C. So, kunin natin yung left section para sa moment natin at C. So, moment at C, okay, dito, lahat ng clockwise is positive daw. So, RB natin is clockwise ang rotation sa C. So, RB natin is 125.714 multiplied by the moment arm na 1. Yung ating 30 kN is counterclockwise. So, that is negative 30 multiplied by moment arm na 2. Okay? Yung ating 20 kN is also counterclockwise. So, that is negative 20 multiplied by length na 1 multiplied by moment arm na 1/2. Okay? So, ang moment at C natin is equals to positive 55.714. That is kilonewton meter. Okay? Gamitin naman natin yung right section. Okay, moment at C, ang ating FB is counterclockwise. Okay? So, ang counterclockwise natin sa right section is positive. So, positive 94.286 multiplied by, this is 6. Okay? Yung 50 kN natin is clockwise. So, that is positive, negative pala ang negative ang clockwise sa right section. So, negative 50 multiplied by 3. Okay? Tapos, yung ating 20 kN is also clockwise. So, that is negative sa right section. 20 multiplied by length na 6 multiplied by moment arm na 6 over 2. Okay? So, that is also positive 55.714 kilo Newton. So, since positive yan, ibig sabihin, clockwise moment. Okay, clockwise moment. So at E, at left section. So moment at E is equals to, okay, RB natin is clockwise. So that is positive 125.714 multiplied by the moment arm na 5.5. 5.5 pa? Yes, 5.5. Tapos yung ating 50 kN is counterclockwise. So that is negative 50 multiplied by 1.5. Yung ating 30 kN is also counterclockwise. So 30 multiplied by moment arm na 6.5. 6.5 ba? So 5. Okay, 6.5. Tapos yung ating 20 kN, iikot din ng counterclockwise sa E. So that is negative 20 multiplied by 5.5 multiplied by moment arm na 5.5 over 2. So, ang moment at E natin is equals to positive 118.927 kilonewton. Meaning, clockwise rin ang rotation natin or bending natin sa E. Okay? At right section, moment at E, okay? At right section, ang ating FB is counterclockwise, so that is positive sa right section, 94.286 multiplied by 1.5. Ang ating 20 kilonewton is clockwise, so that is negative. Negative 20 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 1.5 over 2. So, ang moment at E natin is equals to, yes, also 118.927 kilonewton meter. So, lahat sila clockwise. Okay? So, positive bending sila, pare-parehas. Okay? So, ang gawin natin, wag natin gamitin yung right section. So, lagi na natin gamitin dito is yung left section para hindi tayo nalilito. Kasi sa left section, madali lang eh. Alam natin, ang sa shear, ang upward forces is positive, ang downward forces is negative. And also, kapag moment naman, ang clockwise rotation is positive, ang counter-clockwise rotation is negative. So, yan na lang ang ginagamit ako. Lagi kong ginagamit ito lang, pang left section. Pero, tawag ito? For the sake na makita natin kung equal nga ba ang nakukuha nating shear and moment at a specific point, mapa left man yan or mapa right section, ito yung ginawa natin. Okay? So, same lang din naman ang makukuha natin. Pero kapag gumagamit tayo ng right section, nakakalito na siya. Okay? So, mas maganda na practicein nyo na lamang yung sa left section. Okay?